Hello everyone, let's start our next reading session. And in this session, I will explain you about the hard C and soft C. As you can see the heading here, hard C and soft C. Words that begin with C. उनका प्रोनाउंसिएशन कैसा रहेगा? कई बार बच्चों को कन्फ्यूज़न रहता है, इसे हम स बोलें या क बोलें, राइट? एंड माय अनदर टॉपिक विल बी जी. सो लेट्स begin. Hard C. This will be spoken as, you can see the list of spelling, K, and the soft C will be spoken as S. I have given few of the spellings here for an example. Cookie, can, cat, you can see the pictures here, crayons, computer, caterpillar. I have made caterpillar here, computer, CK, and here circle, cents, it's about coins, city, cereal, celery, centipedes. Okay, so these are such few words where I have given the difference between hard C and soft C. Okay, next is soft G or the hard G. Now soft G is spoken as J sound, like in GEL, gel, GEM, gem, general, gentle. I don't speak it as gentle या गर्म. It is spoken as germ, giant, gem. It is not gim. Giraffe. Yeah, this is the very known spelling. It is not giraffe. Yeah, it is giraffe. It is gypsy. So few of the words are hard G, which is spoken as go. Gap, gas, gasp, goat, gobble, good, goose, gum, and gust. So now your task is to go to your book, any of the book, any story book or your course book, any of the book, open any page and find out such words and list them differently. One side soft G and one side hard G, as well as one side hard C and one side soft C. एंड मेक द लिस्ट कि एक ही पेज पर हमारे को अलग अलग तरह की स्पेलिंग देखने को मिलती है, जहाँ पे हम सॉफ्ट जी बोलेंगे एंड जहाँ पे हम हार्ड जी बोलेंगे. इट विल हेल्प यू टू मेक योर रीडिंग बेटर एंड मोर बेटर, राइट? सो अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, सॉफ्ट जी इज स्पोकन विथ EIY. You can see here focus GEEE and here I and here Y. But you focus in these blocks. A है, O है, right? And U है, which I have mentioned here, AOU. And here EIY, right? So जहाँ पे EIY उनके कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ आए थे, जब G और E की फ्रेंडशिप हुई तो साउंड क्या बना उनका? ज, राइट? ऐसे ही G और A की फ्रेंडशिप हुई तो साउंड क्या बनाया उन्होंने? ग, नॉट ज. जाप नहीं बोला, गैप बोला, राइट? जैस नहीं बोला, गैस बोला. सो दिस विल हेल्प यू टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट and get the reading fluent. Okay, thank you guys, bye.